Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, and today I have prepared you a list of big 4 companies that you can apply without skills and any qualification. But during my research I found this one that added to my list and make it a list of 5 companies. I decided not to leave it behind because it's easier process to get employed also. So this leads us to our number 5 on the list, which is Echo Research. Just as the name suggests, this is a research company. If you heard about Ipsos Kenya, then Echo Research falls under the same class. As a research analyst, you are responsible for researching, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting data. But if you don't have any of these skills, you don't need to worry, because during the training you will get all knowledge on how to sort and present data using special mobile and PC apps. All you need is confidence in approaching the interview and ask questions according to the instructions given. Now, let's look at the countries where Echo Research Company is operating. And on the list, I found out that they operate in Kenya, Nigeria, and Rwanda. So if you are coming from one of these countries, you can apply for it. The client side, we can see a lot of big brands like Samsung, Safaricom, Nokia, GFK, and Amref. These are just some of the companies you will be doing research for. The big brands usually pay very well when it comes to research gigs. To be specific, you can get between 2 to 3K Kenyan shillings every day, but with the small brands, they range from 900 to 1500 bob a day. On the about page, one thing that catches my eyes is teamwork. The research is conducted as a team, and this makes it even easy for beginners. The training given by highly trained professionals gives you the confidence to go and perform the field work with ease. To apply for this job, you just need to visit the website, and on the contacts page, fill in your details. Will include your name, email address, telephone, and a short message indicating that you are interested in this kind of job. Then someone else will get back to you. Number 4 on the list is Horizon Contact Centers. In short, it's HCC. This also specializes in operation of inbound and outbound and digital engagement calls. HCC also employs all throughout the year, depending on the workforce demands. Some of the HCC common clients include Zuku, Airtel, and Telecom. Despite the slow or rare growth opportunities, HCC is the most respected center in conducting training for telecommunication services. If you get trained with this organization, with a little experience, you can land very fast approval to work in other companies like CCI. To apply to Horizon Contact Center, just submit your application document on the office located at Mombasa Road, Gateway Business Building. Take any matatu driving along Mombasa Road and alight at Airtel Building or stage. When you alight there, the next building is Gateway Business Park, and that's where HCC is. So if you navigate on the map, this is the building where HCC is located, the Gateway Business Park. The third one on the list is CCI Kenya. CCI Kenya is fast becoming the country's leading contact center, providing outsourced customer contact services. CCI specializes in operations of customer contact interaction from voice, which is inbound and outbound calls, live chats, email, and digital engagements. CCI provides employees with time to go and have fun during their work activities for effective working minds. The company is available in 3 countries. This is Kenya, South Africa, and Botswana, where South Africa and Botswana takes the biggest part of the CCI. I did not find the CCI Kenya website, but instead I got the LinkedIn page, which you can engage with other employees there, and they will tell you more about this company. The other two countries, which is SA and Botswana, you can find more details on the global page, which is cciglobal.com. You can learn more about the clients and everything. CCI South Africa is South Africa's largest international contact center based in Durban. To apply, you just need to visit location physically. To apply jobs at CCI Kenya, you just need to visit their location physically. On your way from town, you just make one left turn. Then this is Chiromo Mortuary. Just some few meters after Chiromo Mortuary, you take another left turn. Then University of Nairobi Way. You follow that route, as you can see on the map, and the building we have here. This is the riverfront. This is where the CCI Kenya main offices are located. So you can drop your application here, then after you engage in training, you can get employed and work in other branches which are on the Thika Road side. Now, the rest on the list deals with AI, specifically image annotation, which leads us to number 2, Cloud Factory. Cloud Factory Kenya provides a variety of data entry jobs such as data extraction from images or audio transcription, data moderation, data analysis, and much more. Some of the benefits as a cloud worker include working from home. Before COVID-19, one would choose to work from office or home, but following the new normal, everyone is currently working at home. Other thing is free loan on laptop. Free laptops on a loan, of course, this comes with terms and conditions before you own one. Some of the terms include working with them for some time, plus the loan will be paid in bits of 6 months. This also depends on the project in which you are working on. Incentives. You can make more than your monthly contract depending with the project on demand. It's easy to acquire a steady increase in incentives if you will be placed in a project that needs extra working hours. Also, they respect your working time. Unlike some houses, Cloud Factory 100% respect your free time. You will not be forced to work extra hours even if they pay extra for those hours. This is one of the things I salute about this company, because it can't bring any time conflicts when you are engaged in other activities like school or part-time jobs. Cloud Factory application is 100% done online. You will need a certificate of good conduct and a national ID to apply. And the system is very advanced in a way that if you make any mistake during application, you will be easily kicked out until 6 months are over for you to take another chance in that application. It's kind of a penalty. This is one of the things that makes it hard to get into the system. But once you're in, this is a good place to work. Applications for Cloud Factory is not always open, but they keep updates on their Facebook page. Follow the page, and when the applications are open, you can be updated on time. And to our number 1 on the list is the king of AI. This is Samasos. Samasos is the king of AI, not only in Africa, but specifically in Kenya. It was founded in the year 2008. When you hear about image annotation, this is the leading industry in employing youth with this kind of job. Samasos employs 100 of youths each year as a permanent employees, and it has a lot of benefits. Just to mention a few of the key benefits they have, Samasos have health coverage, which is taken care of with the Madison Group. Madison is one of the largest, biggest brands in Kenya when it comes to health insurance. This takes care of Summersource employees. Another thing is work transport to the office. If you are living in a radius of 12.5 km from the main offices, Summersource will take care of your transport on odd hours to work. Breakfast and lunch is one of the other things I noted they usually give out. But for employees who work in office only, one meal at a very low cost plus free tea break is provided during the shifts. Social activities is another important thing Summersource provides their employees. Team building activities improve workplace projects that involve teamwork. After completing team building activities together, employees better understand each other's strengths, weaknesses, and interests. This understanding helps them work even better together on future projects. Summersource emphasizes this by sometimes sponsoring employees to their places of choice. Apart from this, individual teams can organize team bonding at their own expense, which is the thing that makes working in this company more interesting. Another key thing to feature on is opportunities to grow. A lot of new employees have grown rapidly at Summersource. In every 3 months, at least 10 employees get promoted to higher roles. So if you want to grow within this organization, don't waste your time. It's time to get in. Summersource also has some disadvantages, being number one on this list. And just to mention a few, sometimes you'll work many hours without extra pay. Salary is the same across most old projects. Therefore, even if the project is hard, you will just earn the same as others. You cannot decide the shift you want to work on. This is one of the most hurting things in Summersource. The shifts are not fixed, and therefore you cannot involve yourself in two activities like doing jobs or engaging in school while working. Shifts keep on changing. This week you can be working on a night shift, this other week on day shift, and this other week on pre-shifts. So these are the things that makes it hard for you to be a student and working on Summersource at the same time. So if you're a student, consider joining other companies mentioned before, e.g. Cloud Factory and Eco Research. Those are the companies that can give you humble time in your studies and still earning as an employee in those companies. To get employed on Summersource, a certificate of good conduct and a national ID is mandatory, while high school certificate, an NHIF, an SSAF card, and bank accounts can be submitted while you are already onboarding on the training process. If interested in this and coming from Kenya or Uganda, submit your applications on Summersource page or visit this link and select your country. If it's Kenya or Uganda, then choose where you want to work from. Apart from starting from lower levels of employees, you can also go directly and take higher position by going to Summersource careers page, where you can see a list of advanced job types that you can apply from anywhere in the world. This includes like developers, senior customer success managers, senior research scientists, software developers, front end, technical lead softwares, sales development representative. Depending where you are on the world, you can apply this position and work in Summersource directly. If you find one of the companies that you are interested and fix in your schedules, you remember you start from this channel by liking, share, and subscribing. This is how you get your blessings and try your luck. By sharing, it will reach many people and God will bless you in your job application. Have a good day and have a wonderful time.